Corporate social responsibility, or CSR in short, is playing an increasing role for companies and how they operate. The reality today is that modern and visionary companies must be dedicated to CSR efforts in order to satisfy customers, business partners, and other stakeholders. But CSR is not only a reactive tool. It provides global businesses with new opportunities that, if exploited, can lead to new competitive advantages. But what is CSR? Corporate social responsibility is a mindset which must be implemented throughout the organization in order for the company to be a good corporate citizen operating globally and meet the needs and concerns of key stakeholders. At NORDEN, however, CSR is not something new. NORDEN has for years had an active stance on environmental and social sustainability, but it hasn't been formalized until now. NORDEN's new CSR strategy is built on our long-standing business practices and our values and principles of never cheating. And in order for CSR to be anchored in NORDEN, it has to live up to 3 criteria. It has to make business sense. It has to be directly linked to our business challenges and daily business routines. And it has to be measurable and tangible. When developing our new CSR strategy, we were focusing on key areas that hold particular relevance to NORDEN as a globally operating shipping company. These areas include environment and climate, safety at sea, anti-corruption, and employee conditions and training. We want to actively use these key areas as drivers for our core business. A recent example is the Norwegian national mining company, Norske Spitsbergen, which entered a substantial contract of the transportation of 10 million tons of coal from Svalbard to ports in continental Europe. Norske chose NORDEN as its shipping partner with special reference to NORDEN's active stance on environmental issues and anti-corruption. CSR initiatives that actually had a direct impact on the completion of a valuable contract. And others have followed. We're experiencing an increasing demand for CSR initiatives, both from customers in all segments and regulators across the globe. That is why we have developed a clear and concise CSR strategy. There are 2 major elements in this strategy: to comply and to differentiate. In NORDEN, we need to protect our name, brand and reputation. Therefore, we not only need to comply with anti-corruption laws and environmental regulations, but also ensure that our suppliers comply with relevant regulations. The second element of our CSR strategy is to differentiate. The focus here is on areas that can create business opportunities for NORDEN. These include CO2 efficiency, vessel safety, employee conditions, and transparency. These elements make our CSR work measurable and transparent. And it is the differentiation on these issues which provides NORDEN with competitive advantages. In the coming years, you'll experience a number of new measures at NORDEN. You'll learn about our CSR strategy in detail. You'll meet an appointed CSR ambassador, and you'll be introduced to a range of new tools and guidelines that will help you navigate through CSR waters. For years, we have strived to conduct business in a sustainable way, using common sense and appropriate behavior. The introduction of the new CSR strategy will keep NORDEN on the right course and position ourselves stronger for years to come.